Hello and welcome to Easy IELTS, and today is lesson number 2 of writing task 2. And today we look at problem and solving. So the topic for today is in the developed world, average life expectancy increasing. So what is the problem and some measure that could take in place to reduce the impact of aging population. And again, before we start it, the structure we're going to use is for introduction, you should write like 2 sentences. First, paraphrase the topic, and then you add the sentence. Although there will be undoubtedly some negative consequences of this trend, solution can be taken to mitigate the potential problem. Mitigate like solving, okay? For body 1, we talk about the problems, and body 2, we talk about solving. So body 1, you can start with, there are a number of problems related to this trend. The main issue is another problem is, and so on. For body 2, however, there are several actions that could be taken to solve the problem mentioned above, firstly, secondly, finally. And the conclusion, you can say various measures can be implemented to tackle the problems that are certain to arrive at something. Okay. And look at this essay today. For body 1, you should spend like 5-7 minutes, sometimes like 10 minutes to outline your body 1, body 2. And again, body 1, you can think of like 3 problems of the aging. For example, first problem is in rich people of pre-retirement age, in re-pension. Okay, so old people, lots of old people, they demand high health care. And then decline in population growth. Why? Because young people have to take care of older people, so prevent them from having their own family. And for body 2, you do the solving, like increase the retirement age, so people work longer and we have more tax and reduce pension. Okay. The second, it encourages immigration of working people, so you have lots of working people, we have more tax. And the third solution is money from other areas should spend more on healthcare. So that is the outline of body 1, body 2. So begin with, we're going to start with the introduction. You can just paraphrase the topic, like in developed world, you can say in industrialized nation, people are living longer than ever before. Okay, so add this sentence. Although there will be undoubtedly some negative consequences of the trend, and solution can be taken to mitigate the potential problem. So that is the introduction. And now we go into start body 1. As you can say, you can begin with, there are a number of problems related to this trend. Okay, the main issue is there will be obviously be more people of retirement age who will be eligible to receive pension. Okay, and now we continue. The proportion of younger working adults will be smaller, and government will therefore receive less money in tax. So that is the problem number 1. Then you can say another problem is a rise in the demand for healthcare. This would mean that more money would need to be allocated to healthcare for aging population. Okay, money is used for healthcare, you can say be allocated. And finally, there would be a decline in population growth as young adults will increasingly have to look after their elderly relatives, which could prevent them from having a family of their own. Okay? So you can say decline in population growth while you explain. Okay? For body 2, we talk about the solution. First, agree. However, there are several actions that could be taken place to solve the problem mentioned above. Firstly, is it important for the government to increase the retirement age for working adults, perhaps from 65 to 70? If people work longer, they would pay more taxes, reduce the cost of government pension. Okay. And we continue. Secondly, the government should encourage immigration from working people in order to increase the number of working adults who pay tax. And then lastly, finally, money from national purchase will need to be taken from other areas and spent on vital healthcare, accommodation, and transport facility for the rising number of older citizens. Okay, and for conclusion, it's very easy. In conclusion, various measures can be implemented to tackle the problem that are certainly arise as the population of countries grow older. So this is the entire essay. You spend some time reading the essay, the sample essay, write down some vocabulary that you need, and look at the structure that I use, and then how I explain and write the body 1, body 2. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in lesson number 3. Bye-bye.